In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Mozilla Thunderbird unable to see read emails. If you've noticed that messages disappear after you've read them, or your inbox only seems to show new mail, it's often due to a retention rule that automatically removes older or read messages to save space. The good news is, you can change that setting so Thunderbird keeps everything you've read exactly where you expect it. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird and make sure you're in the main window where you can see your mail accounts and folders on the left and your messages on the right. Give it a moment to fully load your account if it just started up, especially if you have a large mailbox. Next, in the left sidebar, find your email account or the inbox under that account. Right-click on it to open the context menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the Account Settings panel for the account you selected, which is where Thunderbird stores options that control syncing, storage, and how your messages are managed behind the scenes. In the Account Settings window, look along the left side for the section labeled Disk Space and click it. This area controls message retention and cleanup rules. When these options are set to aggressively save space, Thunderbird may remove or hide read messages after a certain age or when folders reach a size limit. Here's the key change. Choose the option that says don't delete any messages. By selecting this, you're telling Thunderbird to retain your mail regardless of age or read status, so those messages won't vanish from view after you open them. This is especially helpful if you rely on historical emails for reference or compliance and need consistent, predictable retention. Once you've selected Don't Delete Any Messages, the change takes effect for that account's folders. From now on, when you read an email, it should remain visible in the folder where it arrived instead of being removed by an automatic cleanup rule. If you use an IMAP account, this setting governs how Thunderbird treats your local copies and retention rules it applies. Keep in mind that any separate cleanup policies on the mail server itself would be outside of Thunderbird's control. A quick note on storage. Keeping everything can increase the size of your local folders over time. That's normal and often preferable to losing important mail. If you ever need to manage space later, you can review and organize older mail without changing this retention choice. That's it. Thunderbird will now preserve your read emails so you can always find them when you need them.